Good morning, beautifuls. You guys, choose love over hate. Choose love over anger. Choose love over unhappiness. Just choose love. By choosing love, you are building up a whole lot of joy and peace in your soul for yourself. Not for nobody else, but just for you. So choose love over anything else that you're thinking of. If you're upset with somebody, just choose love. Just choose love. If somebody angered you, choose love. If somebody pissed you off, choose love. Because if you think about it, all the things besides love are just going to dampen your spirit. It's not going to do any good for yourself. So guys, choose love over hate and all the things that underline under hate. And you guys know what those things are. So choose love today, okay? Choose love every day. Choose love. We're not saying that it's easy, but if you start to try to choose love, it will become easy, okay? All right, y'all. All right, y'all, we are going to be reading from Matthew 5, the Beatitudes, 5 and 3. Okay, y'all? Oh, let me show y'all my grits. Ooh, don't they look good? Don't they look good? Yeah. So, Beatitudes. Blessed are the poor in spirit, for there is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are those who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be filled. They will be filled, yes. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemakers. That's why I always say love your enemies and stuff, y'all. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called sons of God. Blessed are those who are persecuted because of righteousness, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. It is okay to be okay. It is okay to be right. It is okay to be righteous. It is okay to do the right thing, because you will inherit the kingdom of the Father. Okay? And that is that. That's all I have for you guys today. So be blessed. Take care. And I'll see you in the next part of the video. Guys, don't forget. You thought I forgot, right? No, ma'am. No, sir, she did not. Love yourself so that you will love others, and keep the Beatitudes. Okay, guys? Keep them going. And choose love over hate. I'll see you guys. Hey y'all, hey, she's back at it. So y'all, I just wanted to show you, because I'm about to put some soup together, well, like beans for dinner tonight, and I just want to show you how useful my board has been being to me. So look at this, I'm able to put like all my things on here. So I got my water already in my pot. I'm gonna go ahead, I had soaked my beans earlier this morning, so by the time I got home from work, they are okay. So as long as they sit for me a couple of hours, they're okay. So that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and add some grapeseed oil. These are pinto beans too, by the way. Grapeseed oil I'm gonna add, make some good to cook. But yeah, I really like this, because instead of me putting stuff on the counter, I can put stuff here. Here you guys, I'm adding my organic vegetable stock. I'm going to put some Creole seasoning in here. And then we're gonna go out to the garden, y'all. Not to the garden, we're gonna go out. This is cayenne pepper. I'm gonna go outside because like it's like 45 or something. We're gonna go outside. I'm gonna cut down some of the spearmint so we can basically like weed it. This is carrot curry powder too, y'all. So yeah, I just want to go outside. So here's the bean mixture. I'm gonna turn this on low, and I'm gonna chop up some onions too to put in here. But I just wanted to show you guys how I am benefiting from my little board here. I really like that. So this should be done for us for dinner later. So guys, hold on, okay? Hold on. Y'all forgot my thyme and my liquid smoke. So I'm gonna put that in here as well. Make it just tastes like it's got meat flavor. And I forgot my thyme here. So, and then I'm gonna cut up some onion and put onion in there as well. Ooh, these beans, y'all, these beans gonna be good. I'm telling you, they're gonna be so, so good. Get into the beans, y'all. So if you're vegans and you be trying to keep yourself full, eat a lot of beans, potatoes, rice. I mean, load up on vegetables too, so that way it won't be so, you won't feel so like you're eating so much starchy things. So let me peel this onion, and I'm gonna put that in here as well. And then we'll head on outside and cut some of that stuff down. But look at this, y'all. This serves as like 2 things in one, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. That was my whole thing. I wanted to work right here. Instead of going over here and cutting on top of that, I'd just rather do this instead. So let's go ahead and put our onions in here. Like that. And then we'll be done. Put this in my compost bag in the fridge. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'll show y'all my compost. It's getting really full. Really full. So I'll just show y'all real quick the compost. So here is the compost bag, and it is getting full, y'all. She's getting full. So let's close her up. I'm trying to use everything in here. Look, y'all, we down to the nitty gritty. If y'all think I'm kidding, look at this. We down to the nitty gritty. I ain't trying to go shopping yet. I'm not. But here's the beans. Like so, like that. And yeah, we'll get ready to head outside, okay? Let's go into the office and get our scissors out of the desk. And had to get these. Y'all, it's so bright in here now. Oh my gosh. Look, it's so bright. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? See? And it's a beautiful day outside. That's another reason why it's bright. So we're gonna head outside and get to cutting some of this stuff down. I think I gotta let me throw my tennis shoes on just in case, because I don't wanna get my feet dirty. Hold on, y'all. Let's go on out. Do y'all hear the birds? Oh my gosh, they're really chirping. Y'all hear it? Look at that big old hawk. Look at that. Y'all see? Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I'm gonna start cutting all of the stuff down here. So y'all bear with me. Let me go around here and see if I can get started. Oh, it ain't that much. It ain't that bad. I thought it was really gonna be bad. So I just really want to get all of this down some and put away for when things really start blooming. It'll be done. Ooh, guys, you can still smell the peppermint. You can still smell it. It smells so strong. As soon as I cut it, you can smell it. So yeah, the whole idea is just to get some of this up from around here. It don't look so bad. So that's that part. We're gonna get busy on some more. Hold on, y'all. We can keep going. We can keep going. So this is the fence. This is the fencing right here I was telling y'all about. That's really sharp. So I'm gonna move that over there. Hopefully it'll stay out of my way. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, you gotta start pruning stuff back, y'all, so you can get some new stuff, okay? So I'm gonna keep on going. So I'll come back, y'all. I'll come back in a minute. and then I'll show you guys what it looked like. So yeah, guys, that looks so much better. And I'll show you right here, down through here too. I can't wait till the summer. This deck is getting painted black, so I got all of that there. And guys, I'm excited. Starting to get this stuff together. But here's the pile here, and I'll just wait for Mark to put that in the garbage can because trash went out today. So yeah, guys, I'm getting started. It's getting started. Look at that. So much difference that makes. So I'll sweep this stuff up right here. But yeah, guys, get started on your stuff. Get started, because it'll be here before you know it. Okay? Meantime, y'all, these beans looking real good, ain't they? I did add some garlic to it, so that's what this little white stuff is. They looking mighty good, right? I know. Y'all see. I'll throw in the clip later in this video, or probably just on Instagram. So I decided to cut up an apple and add it to some salad, and I put some walnuts in there. It looks pretty, doesn't it? Looks really, really pretty. So for all of you who were asking about the Dr. Prager's veggie burgers, this is what the package looks like. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Okay. Yeah. You waited all day. That's what you get when you wait all day.
I got a serious migraine headache.
Pull your little mask down.
Got a serious little migraine headache.
I don't care.
And she's right there. Y'all looking at her.
I don't care.
So these two right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Y'all definitely want to shop around some? Close, sir. Close. Yeah, it's closed.
Yeah, those was. Oh.
Okay, take it easy, guys.
All right, thank you. Those was originally $10, and we got them for we got them same doors for $7. Yep, got them for $7. Yeah, he said he eating this. Look at this. Y'all want that? You eating that?
I'm not gonna eat it. Somebody gonna eat it, but I'm not gonna eat it.
Y'all look how that turned out. It's done. It's done. It looks good, don't it? Yeah. All right, y'all. That's what it's looking like. Look at that. Don't it look good? I know.
You two what? How y'all doing? Oh, what that is?
That's the green burger. Look at the inside. Is the beans good?
Hmm? They're done. Yeah, they done.
They just done. They just done. They're just done. All right, y'all. Can you end this video out? Babe?
See ya. We'll be ya.
Bye, y'all.